Can help me. I said I got some kind of order at Amazon that I didn't purchase.
Okay, sir. So before I go ahead for security check, will you please verify me with your first name and your last name?
Yeah, this is Rody. Yeah, last name is last name is Runner.
Okay, your first name is?
Rody, Road. Just call me Road.
I mean your full name.
Yeah, Runner. Runner.
And your first name is Rod, right?
No, Road. Road. You got a bad connection there, son?
Okay, sir. I got it.
Now, what's this about?
Okay, sir. So
What's this about? I owe a.
would you please verify me?
Yeah.
Would you please verify me with your zip code for security check?
Yeah, but I want to know one thing. What's this about $1,000 that somebody
So
purchased?
I'll let you know everything once I go on a full security check under your name. All right?
Oh, okay.
Okay. So will you please verify me with your zip code?
Yeah, 48084.
Okay, sir. Please hold on the line, okay? Because I'll run a quick security check under my system and I'll let you know what is going on, all right?
All right, hurry up. I'm worried about that $1,000.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. I run a full security check under my system and I came to know that you have pre-ordered Apple MacBook Pro and Apple AirPods, which amounting to $1,499.
Yeah, that's
So
what it
did you
was.
place this
What
order?
what did they order? Was it Wiley Coyote? Is he the one that ordered it?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah,
did you place this order?
he's always buying these traps that cost a lot of money, and he's putting it on my account, and I don't like that.
Sure. So did you place this order or can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. So did you place this order?
No, Wiley. That's the guy. I'm sure it is. You said it was over $1,000, and I know he was looking. I thought he ordered this trap, and this kind of a bird trap, and I know it was over $1,000, so I'm sure it was him. That Wiley is something else. Can you get my money back? That's what I want to know. Hello. That darn Wiley. I'll get him.